As you can see, no rain out there now. Completely clear skies, blue skies at that, with a bit of Saharan dust in the air. This is how it looks from our Lorenz and Lorenz 360 cam from Westlake Hills. In the air, about as dry as it gets in the month of July. Dew points in the 50s in Austin, even 40s in Laredo. Much of the state is really not too humid until you head east of us, when those dew points start to rise near Houston and Shreveport into the 60s and 70s. That's where the more humid air will be. As we go into the evening, the dry air is going to stay with us here. Dew points staying mostly in the 40s and 50s. So tomorrow morning is actually going to feel dry and, dare I say it, kind of cool for some of us. Dew points staying low through the day in the 40s and then 50s, which is reasonably comfortable, especially for this time of year. Humidity, though, will start to work back in as we get into Thursday, and that's when you'll start feeling that mugginess return. But tonight, with that air dry and the sky mostly clear, we'll get down to 70 in Austin. But look, outside of the city, there'll be some spots that drop into the 60s to begin your day tomorrow. Typical lows this time of year, 76. So we will be cooler than normal here tonight. That's going to mean stepping out the door tomorrow is going to feel nice. But that dry air, very easy to heat up. We're heading hotter tomorrow than today. High of 101, mostly sunny, but still, it's another day with a dry heat. You won't get it in the triple digits in most of the hill country. It'll be upper 90s. But the metro, eastern counties, more often than not, you're looking at triple digits. And then another day of triple digit heat on Thursday, and then the numbers start to come down on Friday. Now, while we're generally dry statewide now, we do think toward the end of the week and into the weekend, we'll enter another wet weather pattern as high pressure shifts to our west, drawing in some showers and storms from north to south beginning Friday into Saturday. Friday, Saturday has our highest rain chances of the next week, and a few lingering showers possible in the area on Sunday. So we'll exchange this sunny, hot, dry air for more humid air with some rain and storms around. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast then. So more clouds around on Friday, more humidity. We'll get down to 98. Still, that's average for this time of year. 20% rain chances. Those chances up to 30% Saturday, back down to 10% Sunday. Then as we head through next week, we're looking back to dry again. 98 on Monday and 98 mostly sunny on Tuesday.